Welcome student. Today's class science. Our topics electricity. We have already discussed electricity is the study of phenomena associated with electric charge and current. Students, this word originated electricity. Greek word electrica. Electricity, it's generated the word electrica या इलेक्ट्रॉन. That's electrica and electron. Greek philosopher named first and Gilbert, who study this phenomena, positive and negative charge attract to each other. In this sequence, students, we have already completed rate of flow of charge is known as current, and the charge, if Q Coulomb charge flow in unit time t, then the current I equal to Q upon t, and unit of current Coulomb per second, that is also ampere. That is already Coulomb per second, that is ampere. Now students, today's our topics electrostatic potential. Students, we are more familiar how the conduction of temperature in metals. You have already seen temperature passes higher end to lower end. To the same, water supply also from higher level to down level, higher level to down level. To the same, students, electrostatics potential of a charge conductor is defined as the electrical condition that determine the direction of flow of charges. Direction of flow of charges when another conductor is placed to its contact. Related to these topics, electrostatics potential difference, electrostatics potential difference Now, this is defined as a work done work done, a unit positive charge from infinity to a unit positive charge from infinity to point under consideration. It is represented by its scalar quantity. It is scalar quantity and its SI units. Volt. Now students, potential difference. We define potential difference. Potential difference between 2 points on a conductor. Students, potential difference, that is, suppose that this is a conductor. This is a conductor that's in A and that's in B. The potential difference between in A, VA minus VB, that is equal to work done per unit charge. That is, bring from point A to work done to bring per unit charge from point A to from point B. That's potential difference VA minus VB. That is equal to WB minus WA upon Q. What is Q? Suppose that's students, Q charge bring from point A to point B. At point A, the work is WA, and at point B, the work is WB. And the potential at the particular point A, VA, and point VB. Then potential difference VA minus VB, that is equal to W. You may be right here, W simply WA to B. It means simply V equal to W upon Q, and that is unit. That's units of V, potential difference, V, that is equal to joule per coulomb. Joule per coulomb. Students, now we have to define 1 volt. What is the definition of 1 volt? 1 joule, 1 joule per coulomb, that is 1 volts. Potential, unit of potential difference. Definition: students, to define 1 volts, it means with the help of this formula V equal to W upon Q, if work done to bring unit charge is B 1 joule, then the potential difference across the two ends of conductor will be 1 volt. Students, unit charge bring from one point to another point. If work done is 1 joule, then the potential difference across the two ends of the conductors is 1 volt. Now student, we have continue our topics. Next point, relation between I and V. Students, in this sequence, a scientist Ohm establish the relationship between V and I. This is also known as Ohm's law. What? This law, students, according to this law, if physical conditions of a conductor remain constant, if the physical condition of a conductor remain constant, then the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference across the end. Across the ends. It means student V is directly proportional to I or V equal to I R. Students, this is mathematically represent V equal to IR. This relation V equal to IR, that is mathematical form of Ohm's law. It means R is a constant of proportionality, that is known as resistance of the given conductor. R is the V is proportional to I, V equal to IR, where R is resistance of conductor. Now students, we construct a circuit diagram related to Ohm's law. This is conductor, and now this is ammeter. We have already told to you in next video. Ammeter examine current, and this is a battery. This is a switch. Yeah, that's also key. Yeah, switch. Conductor wire. And here is a voltmeter connected to examine voltage plus minus. And students, now that's okay.